冬の講習会は案内中。枠が限られていますので、お問い合わせはお早めに。
Hello and welcome to the Thomas YouTube channel. Today we will take a look at the Japanese art form. Origami is the traditional Japanese art of paper folding. It uses many techniques and various objects can be created. The beginnings of origami are not clear. Paper folding started in China in the 1st or 2nd century. It arrived in Japan in the 6th century. Instead of making models that looked exactly like things, the first origami models only looked similar to things. People often folded models and gave them to other people for good luck. For example, Shinto nobles celebrated weddings with sake in glasses decorated with origami butterflies, which gave good luck to the bride and groom. Many modern folders use other tools when folding. Tweezers and paper clips can be used to make very small folds. Some folders use rulers or other flat tools to make sharper creases in the models. Thank you for watching, and as always, remember to hit the like and subscribe button, and see you next time.